Hello everyone, my name is Alessia and on this channel we discuss tips and tricks on how to find and meet foreign girls, European, American, Russian and Australian women. It doesn't matter what you're looking for, you will definitely be successful and I will help you with this. If you are interested in this topic, support this vlog, hit like and subscribe. Now let's begin. You've probably already watched the previous videos on how to start a chat with a girl on Instagram, Facebook and Tinder. So you already have the advice Lika gave you in theory. Let's talk about Instagram. This is a popular platform for dating too. Girls and guys upload a lot of photos and videos about themselves and their hobbies. This is the best way to know if you like her or not, or fall in love right away. But what about practice, buddy? Have you watched my first episode? It's important to use your dating skills, so today I suggest you practice. I have prepared several examples of correspondence between Indian guys and European girls on Instagram, successful and not so successful. We will analyze them to the smallest detail and you will see what attracts girl and what, on the contrary, plays against the guys. Are you ready? I'm sure it'll be a mega interesting video for all guys looking for a girl. Fasten your seatbelts. We start. The girl's avatar has a photo with her dog and her profile also has a photo and video with her. The guy who liked her decided to talk to her about what she enjoys. I have an animal at home and I would appreciate the interest in it. Bingo! The guy looked through the profile, found out the girl loves dogs and began with the most effective method. Note, compliments comes from conversation. I think this guy loves dogs, therefore their interests matched. Maybe they already live together and are happy. So are their dogs. But even if you don't want to have an animal, show interest. Pet owners are happy to talk about them. This is a very good start to a conversation, and then you, as a master of chatting, can change the subject. In general, preparation is the key to success. Big respect to this guy. By the way, I talked about this in my video about dating in the style of football. You should watch this. How do you like this correspondence? Do you prepare before you write to the cutie? Comment. Here's the opposite, unsuccessful chat with elements of vulgarity. In general, girls do not like when the conversation begins with the word hello. Of course, the next question may be of interest, but more often they just leave through such messages. You'd better come up with a creative start. The same applies to the banal phrases, how are you? They're so boring. Further comparison with the page. Oh, how vulgar it is. Compliments of a sexual nature scare and infuriate girls. This doesn't work. The girl wants to quickly end communication with this strange guy. The desire to look up close is another vulgarity. Guys, look at this chat and never write to girls like that. This is a failure. What do you think of this masterpiece? Write in the comments. At this point, I will probably finish. Today you learned which techniques work positively on girls and which do not. Hope you can now see that practice is important. In which chats did you recognize yourself? If you want to sort out even more chats, be sure to watch the next video. It will be so interesting. So don't miss it. And also send me your chat for anonymous analysis. I'll tell you where you were cool and where it is worth working on the mistakes. You owe me a subscription, a like, and a bell. You do not mind, do you?